Hello students, this is question number 1 from exercise 2.2 chapter polynomials. Uh, Question is you have to find the zeros of the following polynomial, quadratic polynomials. निम्नलिखित बहुपद के द्विघात बहुपद का शून्यांक निकालना है. Then you have to verify between coefficient and zeros. So you see that question is 4u square plus 8u. 4u square, अगर आप इसे देखोगे दिस इज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल सिंस हाईएस्ट पावर इज 2. इसमें जो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ u है दैट इज 8 बट यू डोंट हैव कांस्टेंट टर्म हियर, सो यू कैन राइट it as 4u square plus 8u plus constant as 0. So now you see this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So according to this you have to find zeros, so you cannot break this middle term. Okay, according to this you can write it as 4. From between these two terms you can take common. So what is common? 4, दोनों में 4 है. 8 को you can write 4 into 2 u and 4u square. So दोनों टर्म्स में 4 is common, so 4 is common and u is also common, so 4u and यहाँ पर जो रह जाएगा दैट इज u प्लस यहाँ से 4 and u कॉमन आ गया, सो 2 is left. So now you have two factors 4u, आप इसको 0 के इक्वल रख सकते हैं एंड u plus 2 which is equal to 0. So यहाँ से अगर देखोगे that u is equal to 0 by 4, that is u is equal to 0, and from here u is equal to minus 2. Okay, so these are the two zeros, u equal to 0 and u equal to minus 2. Now you have to verify. So according to verification, sum of zeros should equal to minus coefficient of x upon में coefficient of x square. So sum of 0 means 0, एक 0 आपका ये है एंड दूसरा ये है, तो 0 प्लस minus 2, दोनों zeros का sum करेंगे, so we'll get minus 2. Okay, according to this coefficient of x means u, that means coefficient of u is 8, so this minus and coefficient of u is 8 upon coefficient of x square, that is 4. This is 4, so after this you will get minus 2. So in both case you get minus 2, so this is verified that your zeros are correct. Okay, now same for product of zeros is equal to constant term upon में coefficient of x square. So product of 0, that means 0, 1 0 is 0 and other is minus 2, so आप multiply करेंगे you will get 0. Okay, now constant term here is, you see हमने देखा कि था नहीं, तो that means वो 0 ही होगी. 0 upon में coefficient of x square, that means u square is 4, so 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. So आप देखोगे कि दोनों ही केसेस में ये 0 आ रहा है, so the zeros are correct. Okay students, if you have any query regarding this question you can comment me in comment box.